I want to share with you one of my favorite and simplest breathing techniques that I use to regulate my nervous system and to stay grounded when there's a lot going on. And this is just the extended exhale. I love this because I can use it anytime, pretty much no matter what I'm doing. I find it to be really effective. And the idea here is that the breath is connected to our nervous system. And when we inhale, we have to contract muscles to breathe in. And this is connected to the more activated part of our nervous system. And when we exhale in kind of a slow, natural way, we actually have to relax muscles for that exhale to happen. So that is linked to the more calming or relaxed side of our nervous system. So every time we breathe in and out, we're moving slightly between the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous systems, and we activate and we release every time that we breathe in and out. So if you emphasize one a little more than the other, you can also emphasize that side of your nervous system a little bit more. So when you slow down the exhale and you put a little bit more attention into the exhale and you make the exhale longer than the breath in, this has a naturally calming effect on your nervous system and hence your body and your mind. So this is really simple. We can do it together. I'll lead you through a couple rounds right now. I recommend breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. That encourages just a little bit of extra release in the face and the jaw that I find really helpful. And you can do this at your own pace. So anytime you're breathing in, just make sure that the exhale is a little bit longer. It's that simple. You can extend that exhale anytime, no matter what you're doing. If you want to make it a little bit more of a practice, you can add counts. So you might breathe in for a count of 3 and out for a count of 6, for example. So inhaling on a count of 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just repeat that as many times as you want. A couple other variations that I like to play with that help slow down that exhale is if you breathe in and then exhale as if you're breathing out through a straw. So you'll be closing the lips a little bit and breathing out through a straw shape, which just makes it take longer to have that exhale happen. So we'd be breathing in, out through the mouth. Naturally slows it down. I also like to kind of puff my lips out on the exhale, so that would look like this, breathing in and out. So that's an option you can play with. And the last option, well, there's always more options, but the last one I'm going to talk about today is adding a little bit of sound. So a sigh, a hum, a vocal tone of some sort on the exhale also vibrates the vocal cords, the vagus nerve. Again, just to kind of emphasizes that calming side of the nervous system that we want to give attention to. So we can breathe in, out with a long sound. Ha. Try that a couple times. So I hope this is helpful. This is the extended exhale, really simple breathing practice. Give it a shot and let me know how it works for you.